Welcome to AI Tech Beat, a channel dedicated to bringing you the best products, devices, tools and gadgets that bring ambience and comfort into your life with ease. Imagine a world where machines don't just print objects. They think, learn and perfect their own designs. The era of intelligent 3D printing is here, and trust me, it's about to blow your mind. From printing human organs to constructing entire buildings, these next-gen printers are revolutionizing manufacturing, medicine, and beyond. But how do they work? And why should you be excited? Let's break it down. Traditional 3D printers? Great for prototyping. But they had limits: misprints, slow speeds, and material waste. Intelligent 3D printers change everything. These machines analyze every layer, predicting and correcting errors before they happen. The more they print, the better they get. Machine learning allows them to improve efficiency over time. Monitor and control your printer from anywhere in the world, detecting and adjusting for temperature, density, and structural integrity in real time. These aren't just printers, they're high-tech engineers working alongside us. Let's talk about real-world applications. These smart printers are disrupting every major industry, printing custom prosthetics, medical implants, even human organs. Designing lighter, stronger aircraft parts, cutting fuel costs and emissions, rapid prototyping and parts production, slashing development time. Yes, they're even printing houses in days instead of months. And that's just the beginning. Forget just plastic. Modern 3D printers now work with metal alloys, perfect for high-strength industrial parts, biocompatible materials used for medical implants and tissue engineering, sustainable composites, eco-friendly materials that reduce waste and pollution. The AI-powered printing process ensures that every layer is optimized for strength, durability, and efficiency. Companies save millions by reducing waste and optimizing production. Less waste, less pollution, a cleaner future. The 3D printing industry is projected to hit $35 billion by 2025. With on-demand production, companies can print parts when needed, cutting down on shipping and storage costs. The result? A smarter, greener, and more efficient manufacturing world. The future of intelligent 3D printing is insane. Scientists are already working on 3D printed hearts and kidneys. Companies are designing self-assembling megastructures. Imagine factories with zero human intervention. We're not just printing objects, we're printing the future. So should you get an intelligent 3D printer? Short answer, if you love innovation, yes. Design and print custom tools, decor, and even replacement parts. Save money and streamline production with on-demand printing. If you're working in engineering, medicine, or manufacturing, this tech is the future. From budget-friendly models to high-end industrial powerhouses, there's an option for everyone. We're standing on the edge of a technological revolution. Intelligent 3D printers are more than just machines. They're changing the way we design, build, and innovate. And the best part? We're just getting started. What would you print with an AI-powered 3D printer? Drop your ideas in the comments. And if you found this mind-blowing, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more next-level tech reviews. This has been your channel name, bringing you the future, one print at a time. See you in the next video.